Welcome to CryptoCoins, where we review the best coins for you. How's it going, my friends? Welcome back to CryptoCoins. I'm your host, Freddie Colton, and I have a confession to make. You know, I haven't left this chair in the 12 months since I created this channel, and well, I put on a little bit of weight, so I don't really know what to do. I just kind of wanted to talk to you guys about it. I was thinking about maybe doing some research on this, so I figured maybe I could do it while you were all here to help support me. So, you know, the aesthetic that I guess I want is more like a gym type aesthetic. So let me look here real. Oh, well, look at that. Today, I guess I'm going to be talking about gym aesthetics. Very interesting. Now look at this website. Now these are some beefcakes and beef women as well. Wow, very interesting. Okay. Oh, look, and it's related to crypto. Well then, I guess we have ourselves a video, my friends. But before we jump into this, of course, please do keep in mind, take everything I say with a grain of salt. I am not a financial advisor, purely just a crypto geek who, as you see, likes to sit around and talk about crypto basically all the time. And when I'm not talking about it, I am just quietly sitting here in my studio waiting for the next video to come along. But please join me in my weight loss journey in this two-part video. So in this part, I'm going to learn about gym aesthetics, this product that is going to help give me the motivation to lose some weight. And in part two, which you will see on Crypto Revolution, one of my other channels, we'll see how everything works out for me. But for now, let's go ahead and check out what gym aesthetics really is and how is this even related to crypto. Well, first off, very cool website with obviously amazing merchandise and clothes. I think that they have a very cool logo, as you can tell. And interestingly enough, they are related to a token and an NFT. So we can see DOS token right here is their token, workout, play, rewards. DOS is the token of purchase, utility, and action, and is at the heart of the AllofX gamified fitness economics. Players will receive DOS tokens for completing workouts-based gameplay in Dustland Runner, Dustland Rider, 22 push-ups, and other experience. Now, Dustland is an app that you can actually download if you're interested. It is the app that, of course, goes along with the Dogecoin. So do definitely keep that in mind. It is what I'm going to download to help myself get into shape. Now, what is DOS token? It's an ERC20 fungible token of purchase, utility, and action. It is the heart of AllofX gamified fitness ecosystem. Players will receive DOS tokens for completing workouts, base gameplay in Dustland Runner. We mentioned that. What is DOS? It's an acronym for the chemicals you release when you play an exercise game like Dustland Runner that makes you feel good. Dopamine, oxytocin, serotonin, and endorphins. Which that is so cool. I love the idea of that. We can see Dustland Runner here a little bit, which I will go over a little bit more in my other video, my part 2, as I mentioned. This video is really to just set everything up, give myself the motivation to start really working hard. So we can actually see here one of my main inspirations, Alan Niglani, excuse me. And Alan, as you can see, is the definition of a beefcake, my friends. Now, these are my goals. This is where I hope to work to. Or at the very least, cut down a little bit. Now, we can see Alan is actually one of the people related. He is an ambassador for Gym Aesthetics, and a verified account, verified strongman. Check this guy out. His boxing skills are insane. Like, look at this. Sorry, thought it was gonna, oh, there it is, here we go, ready? Whoa! My goodness! That is the man that I want to learn from. Now, gymaesthetics.usa, you can see here on their Instagram as well. They're growing themselves up. Again, you know, they're a website with more merchandise, more of a store that is sort of building themselves up on the social basis, building up DOS, and also the AllofX Fitness Metaverse, which will also be an NFT. Again, I will be talking more about this on my second part video. That will be coming out on the 25th of this month. That is on NFT Revolution. And again, we will see if everything works out for me in regards to that. So we can see the join the gym aesthetics in the fitness metaverse, and you can find out a lot of that information on their Discord. So of course, the fitness metaverse on Discord, they've got over 26,000 family. Twitter's 42,000 growing, and we'll get over to the other socials in a moment. Dustcap's to 16,000, GAOG's over 1,000. Excuse me. Now, you can find anything you need here, Dustland news, AMAs, all the info, everything that you could possibly want. And at the end of the day, it's a really great free resource to help yourself get a little bit of exercise done, because, as I said, I personally put on a couple of pounds. And outside of the skit, I actually have put on like 10 to 15 pounds in the last 4 months, but don't tell anyone, please. So we can see here, now, this is Gym Aesthetics US, their personal Twitter. We can see here on Facebook, they actually have Gym Aesthetics and Gym Aesthetics USA, which I think is cool that they have, it's such an international company that they have the sort of different places. And what's really cool, so you can actually join the Gym Aesthetics NFT whitelist giveaway. Before you start, please join our Discord server here, so you can actually go through the Discord. As part of the community, you'll give the opportunity to become a member of the GA exclusive NFT whitelist. So just fill this out if you're interested. I personally have. Just put in your information. Not asking for too much info at the end of the day. This is actually the Gym Aesthetics Wellness Metaverse's link, like just all the links essentially. If you're interested in that, just to kind of click there. You can find that over there on their Twitter. I believe I found that, but you can find this on most of their media. Now, here's what's really cool. So they've got some very interesting articles coming out, because they are actually working with some really cool places to work on this game, right? Build everything up properly. And we can see Gym Aesthetics and All of X announced the Gym A Club NFT project with 5-time kickboxing Muay Thai world champion Alan, the Black Panther as global brand ambassador. Excuse me. I'm going to say Alan. I apologize if I'm pronouncing that wrong, but yeah, and you can see how that guy fights. I mean, good Lord. I think I called him a bodybuilder, and excuse me for that. But yes, Muay Thai champion, right? And he deserves the respect that he has earned for that. So I absolutely recommend checking him out. And we can see here in these articles how it's related to Dose, how all of it, like what All of X is, what Gym Aesthetics is, and how they all relate together. So absolutely come check this out. Announcing also here, so they announced the development of Gym Metaverse, the first avatar Ares from the Gym AX Dustland Runner NFT project in the Sandbox. And we have discussed Sandbox here. We've even done some gameplay over on CryptoCoins Gaming. So absolutely interesting stuff here that they're creating this game, and they are working with Animoka Brands, who most of you who watch this channel understand to be a very large brand that works in NFT gaming, one of the biggest, in fact. Again, Dustland Runner is going to be that app you want to check out. Now, the Harbor postcards. So this is actually their OpenSea, where you can allow yourself a Kettlemine postcard, message written on the back. And it is just part of the actual game itself. You can see here the actual Dustland doing pretty well, pretty decently in volume traded and whatnot over here. And it's the NFT Kettlemine that you first are key to start in earning Dose, in Dustland's move to earn model. This NFT also allows you to take advantage of the future in-game utilities. All NFT will provide riders and fitness enthusiasts of all type, ages, and abilities. Dustland Runner is the latest audio adventure in All of X's fitness metaverse that rewards players for running, with support from strategic partner Animoka Brands, as I mentioned. Dustland is designed from the group up to be a core component of a cross-chain compatible ecosystem utilizing Dose utility tokens. Download Dustland Runner on Play Store and App Store. And we can sort of see here, this is what they're selling the postcard at the moment if you're interested. But of course, we'll be expanding everything. Now, here's something really cool. So this is a little sneak preview for you. And for those who are familiar with the Sandbox, of course, you understand going to just turn down the music just because I don't want to be copyrighted. But you can sort of see, and you know, what's fun about that is really getting your avatar out there, getting involved, and you know, in my opinion, that definitely would inspire me to work out more, to be a part of this gym atmosphere. And I'll say personally, I work out much harder when I'm at the gym, when I feel that I'm in a certain place to get the work done. And look how beautiful this fitness center is in the sandbox. By the way, the amount of money it cost as well, I mean, unbelievable, like in real world dollars to make this happen, shows how well this project is doing. I love this little dancing guy. So we can see the whole gym here. And, you know, a lot of projects, they'll be like, oh, well, we have the gym coming, right? But, you know, they won't properly show you everything that you want to know or need to know about the project. They'll just be like, it's on the way. So what I love about this, they show us everything we want to see. DOStoken.com is where you'll find out more about DOS. I will go into a little bit more as well in the next video, but I do want to show you the token allocation, as of course the tokenomics is very important. So only 10% team and advisor, by the way, 20% gameplay rewards, 5.31 company reserve, totally okay. Very small numbers for those. 22 push-ups, 10. Dustland Rider, 10. Dustland Runner, 15. IDO, 2.6. Liquidity, 10. Strategic, 2.6. Public pre-sale 0.33 and private sale 14%. Now again, team and advisors being 10% is the lowest I've ever seen. The rule of thumb is generally you can allocate about 25% to team and advisors. That is generally how much. 25% is usually about how much it costs to staff any company. So the fact that they are cutting their costs down so drastically tells me a whole lot about what this project prioritizes. And we can sort of see the projections here as to how things go. We can see DOS is also listed on, by the way, a bunch of the best swaps, including my favorites, Uni and Pancake. Those are the ones I trust the most, to be honest with you. And if you're curious, you are welcome to check out the team who created it. Click through, learn a little bit more about them. And, you know, they are doxed, as you see, full name and everything. But, my friends, that is what we're talking about today. The DOS token, gymaesthetics.com, which you will go on here and you can actually find out a lot more about the crypto stuff. If you just scroll down, you'll find all the links to everything I discussed here on gymaesthetics.com about the All of X Fitness Metaverse and the DOS token. But my friends, until next time, I am on a journey to lose some weight, and I will see you on the 25th, looking fit and fun. As always, my friends, I've been Freddie Colton. Thank you for coming, and I will see you in the next episode.